All right, guys, this is question number 30 from the August 2026 Algebra 1 exam. And basically, they've just given us a um, expression that has a bunch of radicals in it, and they want us to add those radicals and simplify it. Now, the last question I did was the quadratic formula, and what I said is that if the question had if the quadratic formula has a radical in it, it will simplify it for you. The same thing for this question, right? But let me show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to type in each one of the um, I'm going to type in each one of the terms, and then the calculator is going to simplify them, and then I'm just going to go ahead and add them and get the final answer. So here's what I'm going to do. First thing, I'm going to type in 5 square root of 32. Now, I know that 30, whoops, let me go here. 5 square root of 32. I know that 32 can be simplified. It can. So it can be written as 20 square root of 2. Now, I'm going to type in 10 square root of 2. I know that this cannot be simplified because it's already simplified, but I'm just going to show you this is all you have to do to get 2 points instead of 1. So now on my iPad, underneath 5 square root of 32, I put 20 square root of 2, and underneath 10 square root of 2, I'm just going to put 10 square root of 2 because I can't simplify that. Now I'm just going to add these two numbers together. So I'm going to take this, and I'm going to add it to this, and it will simplify it. So it says 30 square root of 2. So I go here, and I just put equals 30 square root of 2. Done. We've done the kind of algebra. So this would be 1, and then the final answer is correct. That would be the other one. So that's 2 points. Now, I'm telling you, the CAS version will help a lot of students who struggle with simplifying radicals, which unfortunately there are a lot of students who struggle with simplifying radicals. So we don't have to fight that battle right now. We can focus on other issues. So this is a 2 point. Now, if you just wrote the answer 30 square root of 2, you would just get 1 point. But if you did this, where you simplified the 5 square root of 2 and wrote it as 20 square root of 2, and then put the 10 square root of 2, which cannot be simplified, and then you just add those together, that's how you get it. 20 plus 10, that's the coefficients, gives you 30, and then the square root of 2 is like, so look, this is the same thing as if I had 20x plus 10x, that's going to be equal to 30x. Right? That's the same idea. They have to have the same radicand. If they don't, you can't combine them, right? So in this case, square root of 32 is not the same as the square root of 2, so we had to simplify it. And when we simplified it, we got the radicand square root of 2, and now we can combine the coefficients, which we did. So that's it. That's how you would do it algebraically, guys, right? But that's what we're doing. So the answer is 30 square root of 2. I probably did a little more than you wanted to see, but I just wanted you to see that this is a pretty straightforward question, especially if you're able to use a CAS version. All right, I'm going to stop, and I'm going to post this